Hello traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Thursday, June 23rd, 2011, and this is going to be my only update for the week. Today was by far my most interesting day as a trader. So last night I went to bed around 1. Didn't go to sleep though, because I couldn't stop thinking about trading among other things, and at 3 decided to get up and look at futures. And I have these ideas here for a few trades in the grains and in crude, and mostly for the most part they're trend trades, and I'm trying to catch momentum moves and then trend moves lower on all three. And so I couldn't sleep. I stayed up until around 4, and at 4:15 I took my trade in crude. I'm gonna pull up the 30-minute here. It's right here where I was making the trade. I got short at 93.77, and pretty much it went against me at first. Actually came up and touched my stop to the penny, but didn't stop out, and then crashed from there. And from there, I just watched it crash and burn pretty much. It was great. And then I took a nap from 6. Actually, I didn't watch it crash and burn. I took a nap from 6 to 9 ish, and then woke up at 9 seeing that it had really moved lower in my favor, and added one more contract in here, which turned out to be not profitable. It was really profitable for the first half hour of that second contract trade, but I wasn't expecting to cover. I was expecting this kind of action and then a move lower as opposed to that kind of move. Right now I am flat. My second contract that I added down here at 91.45 stopped out at around 91.65, and my other contract just stopped out at 92.30. So that was a good trade, but I'm out unfortunately because I have my sights set on this daily trend, expecting it to go lower. I would not be surprised if oil gets down to the high 70s. Maybe like 75, 78, somewhere in that range within the next few weeks. Anyway, two other trades I made. Wheat futures, pretty much the same time this morning. Actually, it was, yeah, just around 5 that these started breaking down. So I shorted wheat and corn at the same time pretty much at 5. Went to sleep from 6 to 9. And then there was no, or 6 to 8:30-ish, there was no trading when I woke up, because the pit hadn't opened. But then when it did open, it just gapped really low. If I had covered all my positions at the lows of the day, I mean, for my max profit, I probably could have made like $7,000 on all these trades. But I was expecting them to go lower too, because I'm also looking at a daily downtrend that I expect to continue for a while. So I ended up putting my stop just in the gap fill here on wheat and stopped out when it started to fill that gap. And the same exact trade for corn. Entered at 5. Filled once it filled the gap, I was out. So all in all, my most profitable day yet. I'm happy about that. And yeah, honestly, those were some of the best trades I've ever made. And right now, things are looking good again in my my stock account too. I have a few shorts and a bunch of longs that are still working, and everything looks good right now. So tomorrow I'm going to the beach. I'm taking the day off, which is great after not sleeping, to get a day of rest extra this weekend. And then I'll come back Monday nice and refreshed with a pretty healthy account, and I'm just gonna get right back to trading. So thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com. I will talk to you next week.